Panasonic Connect. Two great products. We couldn't decide which one to give the award to, so we're naming them both. Panasonic Connect, congratulations. The UE160 PTZ camera and the AV-HSW10PJ switcher are both Videoguys' top products of 2023. Let's talk about the UE160 PTZ camera. Picking up where the UE150 left off, it's got everything. It's got SDI, it's got HDMI, it's got 4K, it's got NDI, it's got ST2110, it's got SRT. It is the biggest, baddest, bestest PTZ camera we've ever sold. Congratulations on the UE160. We love that product. It's 15 grand, but if you're doing events, if you're doing broadcast level work, if you're trying to do a band that's playing at your local arena, these are the cameras that people are using, folks. And then on the other side of the equation, let's talk about this switcher. For under 6 grand, you're getting an HD 1080p switcher that supports SDI, HDMI, and NDI. A really great product. We know a lot of times for a house of worship, school, or corporate, you just want the most basic switcher you can get for a volunteer or someone who's barely trained to be able to use it. And this is it. It's portable. It's easy to configure. Just great job. And if you're looking for a rock solid, IP ready, IP working SDI HDMI switcher, look no further. The SW10PJ is your choice. Congratulations to the folks at Panasonic for 2 great products as Videoguys' top products of 2023.